Okay, are we recording? I believe we're recording. Yes, we are. Well, hello everybody again. Omega here. We just, well, my loving boyfriend just went and got the next part of my computer build. We have the Corsair H100i liquid cooling unit. This is one of these self-contained units. You don't have to worry about refilling the liquid or anything, nothing like that. Just kind of plug it in and go. The main reason I chose this one over some of the other H series, the Hydra series Corsairs, is because this one has a dual-length radiator, and it's also got the Corsair link. What that means is it links to the motherboard, and there's a software I can use to kind of monitor sound levels and liquid levels, temperature, and all that. Really cool feature. I like that one. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, since it's the only piece we've got. Let's see here. Multi-tool again. One of the best investments I ever made. Plastic shrink wrapping. Isn't it fun? I still think my boyfriend should come over here and get in the shop for even a moment, so you can see who's been buying me all these parts. And he's griping at me now.
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are. So this is
Hello.
This is Red. He's been funding my addiction, but and I love him for it very much.
I love you too, beautiful.
Oh, I'm not that great. Okay. Here we go. So this one's kind of a weird opening, but okay. What do we got? Got the solutions guide, kind of a mini troubleshooter. Oh no, this is kind of just showcasing their other stuff. So we're not going to worry about that. They're trying to sell me more stuff. Warranty against defects, stuff like that. And this one is the quick start guide. This has all the information I'm going to need for setting this up. Now, the first part is Intel. We're going to skip ahead to AMD. So yeah, it's got plenty of, it's got all the modes and everything for it already in here. So we're going to go in here, let's see what we've got. Looks like they included 2 fans here. That plug-in, how do they plug in? Okay, so they're going to be using the fan connections on the motherboard. And if you remember from my last video, I found out that the fans that are built in already have, they connect up here for power, which was really a really good thing because I only have 4 connections now. This looks like this is going to be the Corsair link, but we'll get to that here in a minute. We have got our Intel and AMD CPU mountings, which according to this we're going to be using this one. So I'm going to set this one, which is for Intel, to the side. See, we've got more screws. And then we've got the actual unit itself. Which is right here. There's the radiator, nice big radiator, and where it attaches to the CPU, and it does already have thermal grease on it. Okay. Looks like it uses a SATA power connector for powering, and it also has a little fan connector for the CPU fan connector on the motherboard. I'm not sure what the SATA, that might be SATA, yeah, SATA power. So I think I can use either one of these, so I'll probably be using SATA power so I can free up that fan connector. So we're going to set that over there. Anything else in here? Nope. Okay. We're done with the box. Okay. It has instructions for installing the fans and the radiator. So here we've got, let's go through this. This is for fan power. I mean, at least that's what it says. Interesting fan power cables, but this is for the Corsair Link that I told you about. So this actually will plug in somehow on that thing and give me all the data to the software for monitoring it once I get the operating system installed. So it's just to install the fans and the radiator. Now, as far as the fans and radiator go, I've been kind of debating where to put all that, but I think I know what I'm going to do. This over here. Alright. This to the side. Alright. So if you remember from last time, we got all the connectors installed. Looks like one of my USB connectors is wanting to come loose all the time, but the rest of them look pretty solid. So we're going to move up closer. Chair out of the way. Get you right up here. Okay. So yeah, we've got everything already still connected and everything, which is what we want. I'm going to set this right up here. Alright. So it looks like, from what this says, we're going to be, if you can kind of see here, we're going to be putting the radiator wherever we need to and screwing it in from the other side using these screws, and screwing the fans onto those from the other side of where we mount it. So we'll be doing that, and then they've got the mounting bracket and the pump unit and all that. It's connecting the pump to power. Yeah, and if you notice here, it's got all the connectors for that. Connecting fans to power. The fans will actually be powered by the pump unit itself, it looks like. And then that's how I connect the pump to the USB header, which will go down here. So we're going to do that. So since I don't want to worry about moving the color shift fans, because again, those route to the front for power and changing the lighting and all that. Let's see here. We might have to, though. I don't think it'll fit up there. So normally we put it along the back here. We may end up putting it on the bottom. Okay. This is always fun. Alright. Let's take a look. I may end up moving that color shift fan to the side of the case, the cover that I've already taken off, depending on how it's going to let me do this. Because I think the only place that we're going to be able to do this is right up there. Let's get this other side off. Now, my battery on my camera is low, so what I may do here in a moment is turn off the camera while I figure things out, and then before I actually go to do anything, I may turn it back on and have the battery and the charger while I do so. Let's see here. So yeah, it looks like it's zip tied back here. And there's no way to get it through without undoing the zip ties. Alright, so I'm going to turn off this camera so I can figure things out. I'll be charging the battery, and then I'll just kind of upload the videos together and mash them together. So, bye for now.